Hi everybody, today I am going to show you how to make a mini double-tailed OCTO bow, and as you can see they are so pretty, and again it is a little bit easier than it looks. It is all about getting your original to boutique shapes looking pretty even and accurate to begin with. As you can see, I'm not quite finished completing some of these, so this is just some examples that I've done this evening. It's a nice red one, peachy one, sort of a dandelion mustardy one, and a nice little cute pink, and a nice forest green, and that is the back at the moment. Okay, so what you'll need is trusty glue gun, tape measure, clip for attaching your bow to, nice trusty alligator clippy lighter, some dress pins, a thread and a needle, and you want at the minimum either upholstery thread or extra strength Goodband thread, and it must be polyester, never cotton, because cotton will always snap on you and just won't hold the bows as well. And you will need, I'm using 1 inch ribbon or 2.5 centimeters, and I've got 2 pieces at 56 centimeters each and a corresponding piece of 9mm. There's my 1 inch ribbon there. There we go. And I've already got one half folded ready to go, but I'll just show you everything. That way. As you can see here, I already have the first one all ready to go, and I'll show you how to do it on this other 56 centimeter long. So I take my ruler for this because it just gives me a nice fold, and you want to go 6 centimeters in, and you can do it this way. This is the easiest way to do it. Fold that over there like so, and crease once like that, and then I fold it again and do a little mark there, because that will give you a cross shape when you line it up in a minute. And then we bring heat seal this and there, and then you bring that up to there, so where you've creased your 6 centimeters, fold it in half from there, crease here, and then hold your crease, bring this tail up here, and you want that up to the centimetre crease as well, and then you will get this. And what you do is you heat seal those two there, and that gives you this. So 6 and then even 4 quarters. Okay, so where you've got your cross mark from your original 6 centimeter crease, you bring this in over your crease here, and you want it directly over so that it's halfway. So that's half that side and that's half that side, and then I will just pin this for a second so it doesn't slip, and you've got that curve there. Okay, so you've got that, and that will come in later. And then hold this bit, and again make sure you're going round into your figure 8, and you overlap that so it's just over halfway, same as the original piece, and I just slightly re-pin that. Now if you want a slightly loopier shape, you can just adjust it like that. I like the slightly squarer shape, so I hold it like so. And then move it so you've got your figure 8 and you've got your creases in. And then what I do is you bring that side here so that that's perfectly aligned with that little point here, and same the opposite side. You want it so it's dead on that crease there. Hold it a second, and I pin like so. And then what you should have while you're waiting before your stitches in is this. It doesn't look very pretty at this stage, but it will once we've got the pins in, because you can already see the sort of boutique like shape coming along. I'm going to repeat exactly the same steps again. So from your tail side, got your cross crease here. Make sure it's round. I'm not sure I'll go this way. So make sure that's round and matches up there. Okay, and like I said, you can check it by doing that. And we'll pin a second. And then turn it round. It's exactly the same thing, just a little bit over that. And pin a second. And you figure 8. And like I said, bring your loop in so it's at that point. Same again. Make sure they're meeting there. Make sure it's dead on that point there, so you can see there and over. And we shall pin those two. On any boutique shape, these double lines at the back, this cross shape is the front. Okay, so now I've got two that are matching. Okay, and we do the exact same stitch pattern on both. So we go in right on that cross, 1, 2, 3, take your centre pin out, 4, 5, 6, and you should always come back up through that point there. Then you can take this pin through. Okay, and what you want when you pull it together like so is you want those 3 creases there, like that. Okay, I'm going to wrap it a couple of times, and I'm going to stitch this one in the back and do the next one. Right. So if you wanted to, a little bit of fluffing on this one, and that is basically a tailed boutique. Let me get my 9mm and I'll just show you. There you go, very, very simple tailed boutique. And like I said, you can literally stop there if you wanted to. But this is a mini OCTO tailed bow, so let's carry on. Always like to make sure you've got a multi-purpose tutorial for your bows in one. And we do exactly the same on this one. Start right in from your cross. 1, 2, 3. Move your hole pin. 4, 5, 6. Okay, take your other pin out. So in, 1, 2, out, 1, 2, 3 on the back. Okay, and again, when you pull, exactly the same 3 creases as you had on the previous one. And the better your boutique, the better and more even these two original boutiques are, the better your OCTO bow will sit. Okay, so wrap that a couple of times. Stitch that off in the back. Again, just give it a little fluff, like so. And as you can see, we've got two fairly even, fairly accurate mini boutique bows. And what I do is with this one, I go straight back up through those creases like that, so right in the middle of them, pull all the way through, so that's gone straight through those bumps. You turn this one this way up, so you got your tail that way, and now we're going to do the tail this way, and all the way through those three bumps. And get your placement like this, so your loops are like that. And pull until your centre is completely tight. I have an opposite boutique which is pretty similar. It's basically one loop of this rather than the 8, which is why this is called the OCTO bow. Okay, we'll just thread that off in the back after we've wrapped a couple of times. Make sure it's nice and tight. Then what you can do is just manipulate your loops a little bit so it sits nicely how you want it. Okay, and what I do is I just curve the tails. Make sure you don't cut your other bow. Lift it up a little bit so we don't do that. Just gently curve the tails like that. Little heat seal on our tails that we've just done. Cut off that thread. Now it's all nice and tight and secure. As you can see, this is your front, this is your back. Like I said, got your like upside down loopy shapes, as you can see. And you'll find the flatter and nicer you can get these pulled together, the nicer your overall shape will be. Okay, so let's just move the little bits out of the way there. And I've got that. Got my 9mm. Just going to heat seal the end there. And I've got my clip, and I'm just going to put a dot of glue here, and we're going to glue this right in the centre. Played first time today, makes a change. So get that right on the centre of your double join, like so. Give it a hold for a second, and I want a dot of glue just there. There we go. And we're going to open up our clip right in the middle. Hold that a second. And wrap once. Nice and tight, as tight as you possibly can get it. Open your clip. Round again. Make sure you can't see any overlap when you wrap in your middle. Then we're going to cut off our excess. Heat seal the end again. And we just want a dot of glue just there. Okay, lift your clip back up and just hold that in for a second. And then once everything's in place again, I'm just going to give that another little help seal because that's gone a bit, that's better. Okay, so then once you've got everything done, get your fingers in. Don't be afraid to do this on any boutique style shape. Get it nice and how you want it to look. And there you go. There is a mini OCTO bow. And how cute is that? I'll just get mine. I know a few people have been asking me for the sort of dimensions on them, so I'll just take the tape measure, the ruler, can't get my words out tonight, and that is 4 inches wide and 3 inches across, sort of thing. So like I said, it's quite cute. It's like I said, it's a smaller one. I will do a bigger size version shortly as well, and I will link the opposite boutique because like I said, it's quite a similar shape and it fits with everything. So hopefully you found this useful. Do come and join me over on Facebook at Catherine's Ribbon Bow Tutorials and follow alongs. Thank you for watching. Please do like, subscribe and share, and hit the notification bell so you get notified whenever I release any more new videos, because like I said, I do 2 a week. I'm going to try for Tuesday and Friday for you. And like I said, mini OCTO bow. And just so you know, I do have a giveaway for my 300 subscribers for when I reach that point. I'm just over 200 now, so hopefully, fingers crossed, it won't be too much longer for that. So do go and have a look at that. I've fully explained everything on there. And thank you for watching. Bye!